Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I'm going to teach the hotel management system using Laravel part 2 tutorial. So the part 1 tutorial we have discussed about the folder configuration we already did in our part 1 lesson. Okay, so we already did the here. This is the folder structure we already taught. Okay, so how to install the Laravel and everything we have taught. Okay, in this video what you're going to do is I'm going to here I have opened the documentation. So here this one your database configuration, everything you have shown in our last video. So in this video we have discussed about the relationship. Okay, the relationship is must when you are before you are diving into the project. The relationship is must. Okay, so the first we have to, before you have to establish the relationship, what are the actors there? You have to identify the actors of the project. Okay, so in a hotel management system, if you take the entities, what are the entities? Hotel, okay, which is the entity, first entity. Second entity, which is a room. Okay, the hotel, it is a main type. There are many hotels. If you go to the booking.com, you can see there are many hotels. Here you can go to the booking.com. Booking.com. There is a large number of hotels. You will be able to see the large number of hotels. You will be able to see the large number of hotels. You can see over here. Okay. So here this is a large number of hotels. You will be able to see. You can select the hotels by which you need. Okay. So this is the same thing here also. First you have to enter your hotel. What is the name of your hotel? Okay, and hotel where it will be, hotel places and everything you have to define over here. Hotel, inside the hotel, what are the things are there? Hotel has a rooms. One hotel has many rooms. Okay, so the rooms has a room type. Okay, so the room has room type and room images. There are one room has many images. Okay, so one hotel has many rooms and along with many room images. Okay, so that we are maintained with the many room images and everything. We have a separate table. Okay, room type we have a AC, non-AC, VIP room. There are many types. Okay, so after that, booking sales. So say when you booking the hotels, we can book at the time more than one rooms. Okay, if you have booked the hotel ABC, take example, if you are going to booking the hotel ABC, we are select the hotel from the website. Then there are various category of rooms. There is a AC room and single room and double room and triple room and VIP room. There are several types. So you will be able to select the appropriate type. So if you are going for the large number of group, so someone booking the to triple room, someone booking to single room and double room, triple room. So you can you will be able to select the hotel types, rooms types, what the room type you need. So you will be able to select. So the room has a different images. We will be able to see if it is select AC room, what is the room image. We will be able to see the image and all. So this all things I discussed about this project. So this is a simple inventory. Once you booking the room, so it will be maintaining the simple inventory. Okay, so this all things we have already shown the demo. So let's dive into the relationship demo. So you can see the relationship. So you can see one hotel has many rooms. Okay, so one hotel. So if it is a example, ABC is a hotel which consists of many rooms. Okay, this hotel consists of more than 100 rooms in that hotel. So one hotel consists of many rooms because hotel has a one. Okay, the hotel can have many rooms, but a room belongs to one hotel. But the the rooms belongs to one hotel. This is the relationship, one to many relationship. After that, rooms and images. What is the relationship? room can have many rooms, many images. A room can have many images. Images belongs to one rooms. Okay. Okay. So rooms can have many images. Okay. So the room can have many. One room can have many room types. However, it's a easy and double and room has many room types. I have separate table. I have put it here. After that, another table, booking sales and booking sales product. What is the meaning of this? One booking sales mean if you are going to booking a hotel, so we can booking a more than one room. So one booking sales can have many sales products, many rooms we can book. So one to many relationship. Booking sales can include multiple booking sales product. Multiple mean sales product mean booking can have booked more than one rooms nothing but a products. Okay, but each room sales products part of the booking sales is the part of booking sales. Okay, before you are diving to the project, please consider this diagram. This is very important stuff. Okay, if you are not consider this diagram, we never complete the project, because diagram is must when you are diving into the project, because this diagram is very must before you dive into the project. So we have to going to 2 or 3 times for this diagram. You have to read this diagram 2 or 3 times. Then only you will be able to make the project. Okay. So this diagram is very important stuff. So that we have discussed about this diagram. So we have to first based on the diagram we have to import we have to create the models and migration and everything. Okay. So I roughly so this is my demo project. I have already did this all things we have did it here. This is migration. So we have here we go to the same thing we are doing in my next video tutorial how to do the migration. So here tables, what are the entities we have sorry, hotel. So we have to go to the hotel migration. So we have the hotel migration. You can see that so rooms, room type. Okay, so room type, so hotel. So the hotel, what are the entities we have? Hotel name, image, and description and status. Whether the hotel is sometime if the hotel is sometime that hotel is closed. So what happen is we never delete that particular hotel. We have to inactive. Okay, so the inactive the hotel. So we need this status active and inactive. Okay, so these are the entities. So the rooms consist of we have a room consists of name, description, hotel ID, status, everything. Okay, so room types. Okay, so here this is a room type, room name, price. Okay, so we have a room images. Okay, so after that booking sales table and booking sales products table. These are the products entities. So these all things we have created step by step in my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.